Pi2Day 2025, Node version 0.5.2 was released, followed shortly by version 0.5.3, which fixed a few bugs for new users. One key update from version 0.5.2 was that the Pi Node app has been renamed to Pi Desktop and includes the Node Pi mining app and access to even more utilities like the Pi App Studio. This change allowed the app to be more general, accurate, and open to current and future integrations on desktop computers that are not necessarily related to Node, such as accessing Pi App Studio on a large computer display. Pioneers are recommended to download Pi Desktop and take advantage of these additions. Find your respective Mac or Windows download links at minepi.com/piblockchain/pinode and follow the installation instructions from there. Once you download Pi Desktop, click Log In to get your sign-in code. Then, open the Pi mobile app, tap the hamburger icon on the top left to open the menu, and tap Node and input the sign-in code from here. Pi App Studio in the desktop app allows pioneers to more easily create and customize apps on a computer as opposed to a mobile phone, especially since they can edit and preview their apps simultaneously. To open the App Studio on Pi Desktop, go to the Pi Mining App tab, click on the hamburger menu, select Pi Utilities, and open the App Studio. Pioneers should also consider fully installing and running the Pi node within the Pi Desktop app by clicking Visit Tech Setup and following the on-screen instructions. Because nodes are critical to the decentralization, security, and longevity of the Pi blockchain, pioneers who run nodes will receive node mining rewards as defined in the Pi mining mechanism for supporting Pi's distributed ledger. On Pi2Day